F-150 bed covers are aftermarket truck bed covers designed to fit Ford F-150 pickup trucks. These bed covers can provide added security to your truck bed by keeping your cargo out of sight and out of reach from potential thieves. This can give you peace of mind when leaving your truck unattended and can help protect your valuable belongings. Many F-150 bed covers are designed to improve aerodynamics by reducing wind drag and improving airflow around the truck bed. This can help increase fuel efficiency and save you money at the gas pump over time. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best Ford F-150 bed covers for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. BAKFlip G2 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. At a reasonable price of around $950, the BAKFlip G2 is a type of cover that fits a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. It is a low-profile hard folding cover that allows for full access to the truck bed. This means that you can drive with the cover fully closed, folded, or flipped up without obstructing the third brake light. The cover features durable aluminum panels and an automatic latching system that provides enhanced security over vinyl covers. The G2 is operational from either side of the truck bed, with quick-release cables located under the panels for ease of use. The G2's prop rods hold the cover upright when open, and they securely stow away when the cover is partially or fully closed. This allows for enhanced functionality and convenience. Overall, the BAKFlip G2 tonneau cover is weight-rated up to 300 pounds, making it a durable and reliable choice for truck owners. It is also easy to install and comes with a 3-year, hassle-free warranty, providing customers with peace of mind when making their purchase. Some of the pros of this product include full access to the truck bed without obstructing the third brake light. Also features durable aluminum panels and an automatic latching system for enhanced security. And comes with prop rods that hold the cover upright when open and securely stow away when closed, providing added functionality and convenience. However, 2 cons for this product: the cover's hard panels may be heavier and more difficult to maneuver than vinyl covers. And some users have reported minor leaks during heavy rain or car washes, though this seems to be rare and can be mitigated with proper installation and maintenance. Number 4. Gator ETX. The best soft trifold truck bed tonneau cover. It is available at a reasonable price of about $270. The Gator ETX soft trifold truck bed tonneau cover is a high-quality and reliable accessory designed specifically to fit the 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150, with a 5 feet 6 inches bed. The Gator ETX trifold cover can be installed without the use of any tools in just 10 minutes. The rails can be easily clamped on, providing quick, convenient cargo protection. This cover features a heavy-duty aluminum frame and industrial-strength vinyl material, making it highly resistant to rain, snow, and dust. With superior perimeter sealing, your cargo is protected in any weather condition. To open the cover, simply fold the panels towards the cab and secure them into place with the integrated buckling system. You can also drive with the cover in the 2/3 open position when you need bed access for hauling larger loads. The Gator ETX cover mounts on top of your truck bed rails, providing a clean, low-profile appearance that enhances the overall look of your truck. This cover is custom-fit to your truck's year, make, and model, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Some of the pros of this product include: the rails can be clamped on quickly, making it a convenient and hassle-free installation process. Protection from the elements, with its sturdy aluminum frame, industrial-strength vinyl, and superior sealing. The cover can be easily operated with its simple fold and buckle system, allowing you to secure your cargo and provide quick access to the bed when needed. Additionally, the sleek design of this cover enhances the overall appearance of your truck. However, there is a limitation with this cover, as it is only compatible with the 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150, with a 5-6 inches bed. If you have a different truck model, this cover may not fit properly. Number 3. OEDRO Soft Quad Fold Tonneau Truck Bed Cover. At a reasonable price of about $245, the OEDRO Quad Fold Tonneau cover is a top-of-the-line truck bed cover designed to fit the 2015 to 2023 Ford F-150, with 5.5 feet bed. This soft 4-fold cover is perfect for truck owners who require a durable, yet versatile solution, to keep their cargo secure and protected from the elements. The cover's 4 built-in horizontal crossbars provide support when fully unfolded, while its quad fold design allows for easy access to the truck bed and saves valuable space when folded up. The double-layer PVC construction has been tested for UV protection and superior tensile properties, ensuring the cover will stand up to the toughest conditions. Installation is a breeze, with pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps included for added stability. No extra tools are required for most installations, and the included instruction manual makes the process quick and easy. In some cases, small holes may need to be cut for trucks with rail caps or over the bedrail bed liners to secure the clamps, but no cutting is necessary for pickups with under the bedrail bed liners. To ensure proper fit, it's important to measure your truck bed size or contact the manufacturer before purchasing. While returns are accepted, the buyer may be responsible for return shipping fees if the wrong order is placed. Some of the pros for this particular product include its four-fold design of the cover, which allows you easy access to the truck bed, and saves valuable space when folded up. Made of double-layer PVC, the cover is built to last and provides excellent protection against the elements. The 4 built-in horizontal crossbars provide additional support and prevent sagging, ensuring that your cargo stays safe and secure during transport. However, we found a con here, and while the cover is designed to fit the 2015 to 2023 Ford F150 with 5.5 feet bed, it may not be compatible with all truck models and bed sizes. It's important to measure your truck bed or contact the manufacturer before purchasing to ensure proper fit. Number 2. The TruXedo TruXport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. It is the perfect addition to your 2015 to 2023 Ford F150, with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. It's priced at around $320. This most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protect your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The TruXport is there when you need it and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolled up and stored at the front. Its UV-resistant leather grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seal keeps the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install trucks in less than 20 minutes, without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails, before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat, for a low-profile look. An industrial hook and loop system seals the size of the cover down. When used for the locking tailgate, TruXport keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the fullest, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure with the safety straps. With the straps in place, you can safely drive with the cover fully open. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that TruXedo put all their covers to the test, to make sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. TruXedo has even custom designed TruXport to your truck's specific year, make, and model, for a guaranteed fit. However, one potential drawback of the TruXedo TruXport soft roll-up cover is that it may not offer the same level of security as a hardcover. While the cover's Velcro fasteners provide a secure seal, they may not be as sturdy as a locking mechanism. It is made in the USA, and it has a 5-year warranty. Number 1. Roll and Lock M Series. It's available at around $1,400. This retractable truck bed tonneau cover is an exceptional accessory, designed to fit the 2015 to 2020 Ford F150, with a 5.7 inches bed. With roll and lock, you get maximum protection and extreme flexibility. And best of all, it's so easy. It's like a bank vault on wheels. Rolling lock provides 4 locking points. This mechanism locks to both the tracks and the tailgate at the same time. Multiple lock points mean you've got the most secure cover. The rolling lock cover retracts into the smallest housing in the industry, and of course, less housing space means more cargo space. Trucks are about flexibility, there's a lot you can do with the truck. So why would you ever limit your capabilities? When you get a hard tunnel, that's exactly what you're doing. With rolling lock, retract the cover and the sky's the limit. You don't always plan on getting stuff. But life is spontaneous, an opportunity knocks, and it's nice to know it'll fit in your truck. Try that with a hard tunnel. Your options are as rigid as the cover. That's the freedom of rolling lock, maximum security when you want it, and when you don't need it, it's out of your way in seconds. However, one potential disadvantage of the Roll and Lock M Series retractable truck bed tonneau cover is that it is relatively expensive compared to other types of covers. Nonetheless, the cover's excellent quality, durability, and ease of use make it an excellent investment for any truck owner who wants to protect their cargo while also improving the appearance of their vehicle.